guys, it's Bobby, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I'm going to talk about what is the difference between a charge-off account and a collection account. The difference between a charge-off and a collection account is how it's being reported on a credit report. That is the only difference. A charge-off account is this: when you have a contract with a certain creditor and you don't pay them anymore, that company will charge off the account, meaning they need it off their books. They either keep it in-house and do their own collection activity, or they sell it or assign it to a collection company. The only difference is how it's being reported on a credit report. If you didn't pay that company and they kept it in-house, you'll have that creditor reporting that account as a charge-off. If that account was assigned or sold to a collection company, you have it on your credit report as a collection. So the only difference between a charge-off and a collection account is how it's being reported on a credit report, and you still owe the debt. Guys, I hope I was able to clarify the confusion, and look out for more videos. And guys, please subscribe, show me some love, and leave a comment. See you guys soon.